Anyway guys, welcome back to my channel. Today's video, as the title suggests, we are going to talk about how I found out I was pregnant. And I found out that I was pregnant before I missed my period. Like, yes, days before I found out. It was like I was not taking it serious, let me say that. I was like, you know what, sometimes I'm moody, and sometimes I'm feeling some type of way. So I thought that, maybe because my period is about to come, I get in my zone. Also, I was not getting enough rest. So I was like, okay, maybe I'm tired, I need to rest, or stuff like that. So that's what I thought. Anyway, it happened. I don't know how it happened, but that's what I can say, because I'm still shocked. Like, how did this happen? Like, whenever, like, I can't recall, when this happened. It's just like thinking about it, I cannot recall. However, I think we started the gym before quarantine, as you guys know. And we were there, and then my husband and his friend, they started to do some, they challenge themselves every day to do push-ups. So me, with my enough self, say, you know what, I'm gonna take this on too, and I'll be doing some sit-ups and some push-ups. You guys saw in previous video on my family channel, which is the Carter family, that we were doing workouts, and he was doing workouts, and I was recording him. So this particular night, I was making a wig, and I was like, you know what, I'm gonna do my workout. Let me tell you something. I thought I was doing, what is name, sit-ups. Yeah, I was doing sit-ups, and I did like 3, and I was like, babes, why me feel so, I said, I don't feel good. I feel like I want to throw up. And then I said, I feel, a little bit dizzy, or I just feel sick. Just, just start feeling sick after doing them. And then I said, sure, I work out. People always feel sick and vomit and whatever. So I said, let me do a little plank. Let me tell you something. I did maybe 2, but then the feeling come on again. I was like, this can't be normal, because I was doing them before and I did not feel this way. But I took on the journey, then I stopped. I was like, no, I'm gonna feel good. I feel like more little tea. I drink tea for everything. So I said, you know what, I feel like I need some tea. And I sit down. I went to use the bathroom. I went to pee. I was like, I feel so bad. I drink some water, and I went to use the bathroom, and then come back, lay in the couch. I'm always in the couch laying down. Like I said, I was doing a wig. And then I was like, I feel cold sweat wash me, and it was not normal. I just felt some type of way, okay? I was like, this can't be normal. And I was on the phone with one of my friends, and I was like, girl, I'm eating, guys. I don't feel good. Like, and then she was there saying, sometimes when you start working out and the body's not used to it, you're gonna feel that type of way. I was like, no man, this feel different. Anyway, I drink the tea and lay down for maybe like an hour, and then I said, I have to finish this wig before I go to bed. I did that. All right, bedtime, time to shower, time to go to bed. When I lie down in the bed, I feel hot. I'm like, why am I feeling hot? Like, cold sweat again. I mean, I said, no, sir, this can't real. That's what I was saying to myself. I was like, why do I feel like this? And I didn't pay no mind. I woke up the next morning. I woke up actually early, still feeling that way. And I said to myself, but that's how I feel when I'm normally pregnant. Like, when I'm getting pregnant, that's how I feel, the first stage of it. And I was like, no, my period is about to come, in maybe a week time, so I'm good, or 12 days or 2 weeks. So I was like, you know what, I'm good. Girl, woke up, and the next day, the morning, after the day goes by, I felt normal again. The next night again, when me tell you, say I wake up in an hours a night, feel cold sweat again, I'm like, no, this cannot be real. And I say, babes, my hot. People, I literally, the AC is on, I literally go for a fan and turn it on. Christian start complaining. I say, babes, I'm hot. I'm feeling hot. I mean, can't take the fan. So I say, when the hot feeling started, when, like, you see, when 8 o'clock a morning time, 9, 10 o'clock, because, I don't wake up late. I don't wake up early, rather. I say, Mr. Team said, okay, I can go through the night, but when you wake up early, just turn the fan on. I'm hot. And people, that he did not remember to turn the fan on. So I started turning the fan on. It was getting me stuffy though, so what I did, I turned the head up, and every night me just start feel the way there. I said, no, sir. 3-4 nights, I said nothing to nobody. I was keeping that to myself, and I was like, my period is supposed to come early in the month. And it so happened that me and my friend, we see her period. Hers come 2 days before mine's come, maybe 3 days after hers started. Anyway, guys, I decided to do a test. I did not see my period as yet, but I said, you know what, I'm always going to the dollar store, and I did a test with, I think it's a dollar store one. I did record that. The first thing when I did the test, I said to myself, I don't know, I didn't thought I was pregnant, but that was the first thing that came to my mind. I said, I'm gonna record this. I have that video on my phone. Well, not posted in this video because we'll probably do a documentary on when everything started and cravings and stuff. So I have that video. I recorded that, and I did have a test. I think I did 2 tests. I have a dollar store test, and then I found one that I did maybe a couple months ago because I think my period was late. And I was there. I was like, I'm gonna do this test. I think I'm just gonna take a test just for the fun of it. Bear in mind, my period did not come, and I take a cup out of the pantry, and I did leave some pee in it, and then I put the test down, being nervous because I'm like, you know what, I'm not pregnant. It's just because my period is coming, or maybe I'm just tired or stuff like that. And let me tell you something. I put lay the test flat down on the ground, did the little thing, and put it inside there. Why do I see after 2 minutes I see 2 marks? Can somebody tell me that? Like, why do I see 2 marks? Guys, one of them, it was so pale, so I rubbed my eyes then like this, and I was like, you know what, maybe my mind is just telling me that because of the feeling. But the feeling is the same feeling with Kyra. I knew I was pregnant with Kyra before I missed my period. Yes, so that was the same feeling. But I rubbed my eyes and I said, no, sir. Listen, I waited like an hour after I check it back. And a 2 line, me see one was brighter than one. If I can find the test, because we moved, I'll probably insert it and show it to you guys. Or you can just wait for the documentary because I have that video. I see 2 lines and me I say, my cuss a bad word, and me I say, shit. May I breathe? I breathe. I'm pregnant. And that was my reaction to myself because I was in the bathroom and I was like, no, this can't happen right now. I am just about to, do my makeup, launch my makeup line. This can't happen right now. I am going to be busy. If Corona stop, we're going to Jamaica. I have to have time for the kids. And that was the thing that, everything just started flashing on my memory. I was like, no, I'm not pregnant. Let me do another one. Girl, I did another one and it says I'm pregnant. I did not say anything to Kushine. I was there, you know, feeling some type of way. I was like, this can't real. Cause I'm like, I was in denial at first, you know, and then my friend period come, hear me to her. Your period come, she say, yeah. I say, okay, my mine is gonna come a couple days after hers. Let me tell you something, her period is done. My period did not come. That time I knew I was pregnant for real. And then it was, I was like, girl, I miss my period. I'm like, you know what, it's probably gonna come because I think you saw your period twice last month. That was that was what I said to her. And she was like, no. So people, I was shocked and scared. Yeah, I'm still scared. But I'm ready, I'm prepared, but I'm scared. And then I found out like 2 weeks after I missed my period, I said it to her. She knew. She was like, girl, what you gonna do? This is, you can't be pregnant right now. And I was like, shit. You know, I did not say it to Kushine at first. I kept it for a month and 2 weeks, almost 2 months or 2 months or something like that. I did not say nothing to him because I was like, you know what, I don't want him to come, oh yes, this, that. I was just not happy. Let me tell you that. I was not. And afterwards, you know, I had to say it to him. So I did say something to him. You know what? Oh, I did it. I had one of the tests. He was live, and I went in his review room. I'm just fling down the text like this on the desk, and him look at it while he was live. I'ma say yeah, and I said that to him, and then that's it. So we're pregnant. Yeah, I guess. But let's fast forward. Let me say this. I am kind of scared. The reason for that is when I was in Jamaica, I had family around, and then it's Corona time and you know, stuff like that. So I am scared for that. Nobody's here really. I don't have no family. I used to have more help with the kids. I have to do stuff a lot by myself, so I'm scared with that. And I love to work, in which I gotta work, and you know, people is telling me that you need to rest, da da da. I'm like, yeah, still gotta work. But on a serious note, I do need to rest. We moved now, so there's more time to rest, even though I'm still doing stuff. And I'm happy, I'm excited, you guys know now. And yeah, I found out that I was pregnant before I missed my period. Can you believe that? Anybody experience that? Leave a comment and let me know if you found out you were pregnant before you missed your period. That's how you know your body, and that's how you know it connect, you know. So you can leave a comment and let me know. Tell me, you know, your experience. You can let me know and stuff like that. But it's kind of weird. Most times people miss their period and then they start worrying like, where's my period? Like 3 days after, they'll be like, oh, I might be pregnant. But girl, I found out that sickness came over me before I missed my period, before my period came, like 10 to 12 days before. So a whole week and some days passed before I knew. But that is it. That's pretty much it. I just wanted to tell you guys how it went and stuff like that. But if you guys want to know more videos on, you know, what's going on with me and stuff, you guys can leave it in the comment section. Tell me what type of videos you want to see, and I'll definitely do that for you guys and let you guys come on this journey, because we're pregnant. Yeah, me and Ono, yeah, we're pregnant. And yeah, so over the family side, you will see videos over there. I'm gonna take this channel to more doing my decorating and my cooking and stuff, you know, that I like to do. I already told you guys that in a couple of weeks ago that, you know, all my setting up, I will do those videos on here, preparation for the house and stuff. because people actually tell me, say I know to put stuff together. I don't really see it, but yeah, you guys tell me. So tell me the videos you guys want to see on this channel. I will be doing a lot of hauls. I have some clothes from Shein. People them big. I want to do one of that also, but they're big, like medium is big. I didn't, you know, do a goodbye or whatever, but I'm gonna get me some more clothes. I'll start taking pictures soon and keep you guys posted, so you guys be on that journey with me. I gained a little bit of weight, not much, but I wasn't eating first. But I'll give you guys the videos that you want to see, what I'm craving, what I'm not craving, stuff like that. So comment down below and tell me what videos you want to see, and I will do them. Yes, as long as I'm not feeling sick, I will do them. But I thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you like, share, subscribe, tell a friend about Watch Chrissy Work. Okay, I love you guys. Stay blessed and always remember that God is love. Until my next upload, bye.